Today we are unboxing the Huckberry Danner Mountain Moc 917. This is a retro reinvention of a boot from 1967, and it is super cool looking. Now, as always, if you want to pick up a pair of these boots, you can do so by using the link in the description below. And if you get any value out of my videos, I'd love for you to hit subscribe, join the Modestly Minimal family, and let's create a little bit better lifestyle together. Inside, nestled deep within this eco-friendly box, lies not only the boots, but a set of extra leather laces. I love these laces versus these. I think they give it a more nostalgic, kind of retro feel. I think these are going to last longer, and they kind of make me think of my grandfather, because these are the same kind of laces that he wore in his boots, whether he was going to the grocery store or he was going to be plowing the fields via a horse. Like, these were the laces that he wore. So they do kind of give me a more nostalgic feel, like I said, and I just think they're going to look better paired with this versus these that come in every pair of boots. So those are definitely going on. But here is what we really wanted to see. It features both full grain leather and waterproof suede. In my opinion, Huckberry and Danner really struck kind of a three-way blend of style, durability, and extreme versatility with this specific boot. Better than I think I've seen any of their previous collaborations. So to dive a little deeper into the construction of these boots and what makes them so comfortable, we get to the midsole. Now, these are the Vibram SPE Midsole, and they're kind of like a hallmark of like cushion and support. And really boiling that down, all it means is that they're gonna fit and feel like tennis shoes. You're gonna take these out of the box, there's zero break-in period, you're gonna put them on your feet, and like I said, you're gonna hit the sidewalks and walk to your favorite coffee shop, or you're gonna hit the trail and you're going to be comfortable the entire way. This midsole is kind of like an introductory boot into the world of like barefoot shoes. Very minimal drop, but tons of natural foot feel support. Now, the midsole is also complemented by the Vibram 917 outsole with the XS Trek compound. So this boot delivers incredible grip and traction, while the removable Ortholite footbed ensures freshness and ease of maintenance to take them out, maybe put new insoles in the boots, ones that feel more comfortable to you, or just take them out and clean them. Now, before we go any further, I want to dispel a common misconception. Contrary to the dissenting voices across multiple different platforms, I have had boots in the past that are the 917s, the Huckberry collaboration with Danner, that feature the Vibram outsole and midsole. And I see a lot of people complaining that they don't like them. But where I think my thoughts on this differ is a lot of those voices that claim to be the kind of end-all be-all boot gurus, they don't actually put their boots to work. You know, they wear them out, they take their pictures, they take their videos, they wear them to the coffee shops, they wear them to work. But some of these boots that are meant to be outdoor boots, that are meant to be destroyed, they don't actually do that. So here are my Danner 917 loggers that I've had. And I've had these for about 2 years, and I count my miles. I have 213.75 miles hiked in these boots. Now, that isn't hiking on sidewalks. That's not hiking on paved trails. That's 13ers and 14ers in Colorado. that's hiking here in the Pacific Northwest, that's taking them bouldering in the Appalachian Mountains. They've been put to the test. And I want to know from some of those other pages, how many of them that talk trash on the Vibrams can actually say that they use them for what they're made for. Okay, let's get into the sizing, but I want to address two things. Huckberry did send me these boots for review, and they did send me the wrong size. They sent me an 11, I wear an 11 and a half. So while I stand here and turn like a rotisserie chicken, let me tell you how the 11s feel. Now, knowing that I wear an 11 and a half, I think that's going to be the perfect size. The 11 is a little bit snug in the width. The length is just about perfect. I would like just a little bit more wiggle room for thicker socks, but the width is what's a little tighter. So in the 11 and a halves, that's going to go out just a little bit more, provide a little bit more foot room so I can wear thicker socks. Right now I have on dress socks because these are too tight. My hiking socks wouldn't actually fit. So if you're going to be picking these boots up, definitely get what your normal average size is. Yeah, sometimes I wear 12, sometimes I do wear 11, but 11 and a half is really that zone where all shoes fit me comfortably. And I would say your normal size is 100% what you should take in these boots. And I think they're pretty cool looking. I like them. I dig the retro kind of vintage look. I think it's nostalgic, and I think that's something that's coming back in 2024, and I'm here for it. So let me know. Are you going to pick these boots up? And if you do, make sure you use the link in the description below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because we are going to a 2 video per week upload system now. And on Saturday, we're going to be going out. I'm going to be putting an outfit together, and we're going to be hanging out in downtown Seattle, more vlog style, kind of show you the lifestyle, show you how clothes work out. And I think it's going to be fun. So one day is a technical upload like this one. Another day is maybe an adventure on wherever we are in the country.